Stop everything. The FPV world is about to split into before and after. For months, DJI has been fighting a losing battle, trying to keep the next generation of Cinewhoop-style drones under an impossible lock and key. The leaks have become a torrent, and what they reveal is not just an update, it's a reckoning. You're here because you want to push the boundaries of cinematic drone flight. You're tired of compromise, of choosing between safety and speed, between long flight times and 4K resolution. You're asking the big question: is the DJI Avata 3 the ultimate hybrid FPV tool? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In the next 30 minutes, we are cutting through the noise. We're decoding the leaked FCC filings, analyzing the prototype schematics, and confirming the specs that will make your current drone obsolete overnight. We're diving into the 1-inch sensor revolution, the 30-minute flight barrier break, and the all-directional sensing that makes crash footage a thing of the past. This isn't speculation anymore. This is the final blueprint for the DJI Avata 3. Stay tuned, because if you buy an FPV drone right now, you are making a devastating mistake. Visual, animated graphics showing a side-by-side comparison of the Avata 2's sensor versus the rumored Avata 3's 1-inch sensor, emphasizing the massive light-gathering area. Show stunning, clean low-light drone footage. Let's start with the one spec that changes everything: the camera. The Avata 2 had a decent sensor, but the Avata 3 is rumored to feature a massive, game-changing 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is not a slight improvement. This is a professional leap. Why does size matter? Low-light performance. Imagine flying at sunset or deep within a forest canopy. Where the old Avata would crumble into a grainy, unusable mess, the Avata 3's 1-inch sensor will capture clean, high dynamic range footage. It pulls light out of the shadow and retains detail in the highlights. This means cinematic-grade, post-production ready footage, straight from the prop guards. But the sensor size is only half the story. Leaks confirm this camera will shoot 4K at 120 frames per second with 10-bit color depth and D-Log support. This is the magic number. It means silky smooth, super slow motion without sacrificing image detail. And for you cinematic pilots, that 10-bit color means color grading in post will be an absolute dream. You'll be able to push and pull your footage without the image instantly breaking. DJI is not just making a faster drone. They're making a cinematic tool capable of shots previously reserved for multi-$1,000 cinema cameras. Visual, dramatic flight footage showcasing speed, up to 140 km per hour, and then a serene shot emphasizing long flight time. An animated graphic illustrates the OcuSync 4+ range extension. FPV pilots live for speed and endurance. The Avata 3 is rumored to smash both records. The biggest pain point for all previous Cinewhoop drones has been battery life. We've all felt the dread of that 5-minute flight time limit. The Avata 3, based on multiple leaks, is expected to breach the critical 30-minute flight barrier. With a potentially larger, more efficient battery and optimized motors, you can now plan, execute, and reshoot complex cinematic maneuvers on a single battery. That is a game-changer for professional workflow and pure flying enjoyment. And the speed. This thing is rumored to hit top speeds approaching 140 km per hour in manual mode. That